Hello friend, my name is Ajaz and welcome back to my channel Pro Learner. Today I'm going to show you a website that help you to create logos, design, banner, or you can create poster also virtually or physically. Whether you want to print it, you can use it. If you want to post in social media, you can use it. The website name is Canva. Let's start using it. First of all, you have to open any browser and search canva.com and hit enter. You can see the first link. Just click here and you need to sign up or sign in. Because I'm using first time, that's why I use for sign up for free. And you can use Facebook, Google, or you can create your own with the help of this third option. I'm just using the Google one. I click here, choose your icon, and then log in. And after that it will show you this type of upgrade option for Canva Pro. You can use it 1 TB storage, and it give you create with easy thanks to Magic Eraser 100 plus premium photos, videos, and elements. You can use it when you upgrade to Pro version. For now I just cut it this. And here first you can see this is the home. Here you have some topic like document, whiteboard, presentation, social media, video, printout, website. Let's look at each and everything one by one. First click on the document. Here you can see create a document. Here with the help of this you can use mobile version also. You can download with the help of Play Store. I'm just creating this. And here you can see this is untitled. You can provide title from, let it open first, and here you can name it according to your need. I just provide ABC. ABC. Okay, now here you can see this is the template. You can change the template of this document. You can choose this. You can anything you want. I just replace this. And after that you can see the element. And element section you can search anything like you want fire, like fire. I just search. You can see we have fire graphics, photos, images, and videos also. You can use it in your document. And anything you want to search to use in your document, you can search and then use. Sometimes it is free and sometimes it is paid. For example, I use window. For example, Windows logo I choose. And here you can see this is the pro one. If I want to use this image, I have to pay for this with the pro subscription. Okay, now here after this you can see the brand, or you can choose the graphic, photos, videos individually also. Okay, now here if you want to use brand hub, let's see that you for this is the paid one. You are not access of this when you are using free version. Okay, now after this you can upload photos, videos, images. In upload section you can upload any video, photos, or images. Okay, in project section you can see the your previous design document or PPT. And first you have all. You can choose the design option, you can choose the folder one, and you can choose the image one. It it will categorize accordingly. When you click on all, it shows you all. And after that you have app option. Here it will show you for YouTube, Google Drive, text to this is the popular one, emoji, graphy, embedded QR. And after that you can create something new. And here chart, photos, videos, you can use it. Okay, now after this we have whiteboard. Let's get started with whiteboard. Click on whiteboard. Here you can see it is again untitled. You can name it like white. Okay, and after this you can create your, you can see this is start with a template. Click on next. add text, you can add the text. You can upload your own images. You can share with your friend. You can add your friend, or you can directly copy the link and send it and then authorize. Okay, now after this I just cut this out, and here you can see we have brand, which is paid one, we already see. Draw we already discussed. Upload we already discussed. And after this we have draw. We can draw anything like this, and you can use it, the thickness, you can adjust the thickness. And here if you want cursor, you can have a cursor, and you want to delete, you can delete it. Now after this we have project. This is, we already talk about all the design we already made. We can use it. We can use the image folder design. Okay, and we already discussed about the apps. It is provided and it is supported. Okay, now after this we have presentation. Let's click on that, and you can choose the presentation 16 into 9 ratio, 4 is to 3 ratio. Okay, I choose the first one. Let's click on got it, and here you can choose the design. You can choose this one, and after that if you want to add pages, you can use this button to add the pages and design accordingly. Here we already discussed about the element. We can also provide the text. For example, this is the heading one. I provide hello friend. Okay, similar kind of thing, you can use this. And one thing I want to tell you, that we see how we can search the element. Now this is also providing some shapes, line and shapes. Here we can use lines. For example, if I want this line, I can choose, and I can adjust the thickness and color also. Here I can choose white, blue, any color you wanted. Okay, now after this let's use the shape. You can use the shape, and you can provide. Here you can click, and you can decide the layer, bring forward or backward, send to backward. Okay, this kind of thing you can do it. It is back, but you cannot see because all the text is black. When I click on this and change the color to something this. Okay, it is not done. Let's see. Send it to back. You can see it is now back, and you can see this is line and it is in the front. Okay, you can adjust the layering. You, if you want something in the front, you can just use this three dot and bring it to front, or if you want to send it to back, just send to the back. Okay, now after this we have different shapes, you can use it. And after this we have arrow, line. You can customizably select circle, table, and here it will show you graphics. You can choose if you like it and think it is suitable for your design, you can choose. And here you have sticker also. You can search a sticker also here from search panel. Okay, now after this we have social media. Here you can edit your photo, Instagram post, Facebook post, Instagram story, WhatsApp status, a lot more. And here after this you can have video. You can make your YouTube video here. You can use mobile format, Facebook format, reel format, TikTok. And here you can see the YouTube one also. And you can create YouTube ad with the help of Canva. It is very useful if you learn it how to use it. Okay, now if you want some simple project, just click here create the one, and here just name anything you want. For example, I choose XYZ folder, click on continue, and it is open. And here I use this type of thing, for example, and here I delete this, and you can see it is empty. And after this I create a beautiful design with the help of Canva. Okay, so this is the image that I use in my previous YouTube thumbnail, and I created with not more than 20 minutes. You can use it according to your use, and in next video I will tell you how we can create a beautiful design with the help of Canva. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.